How's it going, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Tate Schneider and this is my HQ1 tonner. This is my first attempt at making a YouTube video and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so let's start where the power comes from. So we've got a 253 V8, nice little fluffy to go behind a 4-speed transmission. So now that you've seen the preview of the tonner, you've seen how it's looking at the moment. It's definitely nothing too pretty, but she will be looking good, hopefully very soon. But let's get into some welding, let's change it up a little bit, and let's show you guys what I'm working on currently. Now, the whole reason why I've decided to start making a YouTube channel is because, firstly, I love making content. I've been doing TikToks over the past couple of years, doing this, learning how to make videos and documenting my time working on the car, doing rust repairs and stuff. But I wanted to move on to something a bit trickier like YouTube, so here we are today making these videos. But I'm only 16, I've learnt just by my dad and I, we've been doing this out in the shed. We don't have much room, as you can see, so we're definitely making it work. But I just want to show all the guys out there, especially all the younger kids that are coming through, that are wanting to work on cars and stuff, that you don't need all the fancy stuff to get started. We definitely don't have all the expensive tools or anything too special to get the job done, but we're making it work, and I just want to show you guys that anything's possible if you put your mind to it. So I've had the car since 2020. I've learnt a lot on this car during the time I've had it. I've learnt how to do rust repairs, welding. I've learnt a lot on this car and I'm so excited to continue learning with this car. The goal is to get it done by 2025, which is definitely a reasonable goal, and let's see if we can get it done by then. Let's stop talking, let's get right into the build. Now we've got to cut out this sill. It shouldn't be too hard, so let's get to it. After a little bit of persuasion, we got all of this to come off. There's still one spot weld just popped off like that. So now this is all exposed and you can just see how rusty and corroded this was. Now we can clean this section up and we'll be able to reuse it. Now, as you can see in this section, it is a bit pitted along here, which is not a bad thing. We can clean that up. We can make sure to protect that so it doesn't get rusty again. But you can see along this bottom section where I have already repaired the sill on the inside. Did this section a while ago. Shout out to Richard for giving me a hand bending this up. The welds aren't ground back because it will get hidden when the sill goes over, so we're not worried about cleaning that up. But now this is off, we can get this sandblasted, then we'll fill in the holes and we can start welding it back in. I just finished grinding back all the welds on this piece. It will be getting ready to go back onto the car. I still have to do the inside underneath to clean that up, but outside is done. That is all that matters because the flat lip goes up against that, so that needs to be nice and flat. So the next thing to do with this will be cleaning it up a bit nicer and putting some rust protective paint on it so then it won't rust again. Well, that wraps up today's video. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video, and make sure to sound alright. If there's anything that you want to see more of the tonner, make sure to drop it down in the comments below, and I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.